What's good? It's your boy, Spaceship Shorty. We out here with Brian, and we got big news today. Rangers going away.
We're going to trade it, actually. But yeah, it's going to be something cool. It's going to be something interesting. It's a straight trade, no cash on top. And if you ask me, I think it's a trade up.
We got to trade up, so I guess we gonna go to a beater meet. Yeah, we're all just gonna beat off. You know, hopefully we're gonna be meeting up with bro there and seeing what we can get.
All right, so we're gonna talk about a little bit about truck history with B-Dog.
And I know for a fact I'm gonna miss this truck. I guarantee it. I mean, I miss all my cars. And like this versus my Jetta, like what this has over and what it doesn't. Let's think. What does it have over the Jetta? It's got a bed. That's it. Actually, maybe you're right. I don't know.
Doesn't have a damn radio.
It doesn't have that. I'm trying to think of things it does have.
Do you know what I could do for you, girl? I could take this whole shit to the moon for you, girl. She said I got too much bitches, but fuck all these bitches. I only see you in my world, nigga. I do not care for a thought, bitch. I let my shorty don't care if I'm toxic. She that bitch. I let her pop shit. Body so T, she be telling me. I'm trying to get in your box, I'm boxing. Shoot my shot like Magic Johnson. Came for the win, I am now with the dancing. Pulled up in a brand new rave, and I told her get in with me like I'm the boss man. Just took a sip of some gold. Feel like Trey Young, I'm the dog. I don't like when you beef shit. Arguing every day, it's like a sequence. We too good to be living in secrets. Don't tell the truth, only at your convenience.
Yeah, you can see like the power steering to be like, oh, how hard to change a rack if I need to.
How hard is it?
Yeah, no, it's not hard.
Two bolts.
It's a 15-minute YouTube video.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, this will be a fun car. Sunroof, nigga.
Definitely, if you go drifting, send me some video.
Hell yeah, we're probably gonna go take it in an hour.
Swag, dude.
We have an new car.
And new car.
Mark my shit sold. You see that shit?
Sold.
Boom.
Satisfying.
Let's hope I don't regret my decision. And
Yeah, let's see how things
if I
go.
do, you know what? Goes right back up.
Shit.
So let's see how long the high lasts. Where I'm like, damn, the fuck did I buy? It seems pretty cool. It's got an angle kit. It's got a bunch of polyurethane bushings. I bought my truck, the Ranger, for $2,500. I want to say, I'm trying to think of all the parts I put into it. So maybe I have like $2,800 into it.
Yeah.
I now have $2,800 into a Drift Ready E46.
Yeah.
Yeah. Two more. We got another set of tires with rims, and we got a full extra set of rims in the back with no tires.
Yeah.
FCP Euro, K&N filter, CSF radiator, which is a pretty nice upgrade. You know what? I got the keys.
You got the keys.
I got 2.5 keys. Whatever.
Going from a Ranger to this is something, though.
It is, dude. It's something. It is something. That's the bottom line. Like, how could I say no?
Facts.
How could I? I feel like it'd be a waste opportunity to say no. No more.
Yeah.
By the way, 364 welded diff.
We're gonna see what this puppy sound like.
Oh, we're behind a freaking truck, though.
Yeah.
Dude, I fucking love straight sixes.
I like it.
I like it. Easy.
Big nigga.
Yeah. Big hoss. Yeah.
Big nigga.
All right, let me get a little something for you.
I like my bitches crazy, she's something she want, and ain't nobody stopping her. Booty slam, bumping this the popular. Booty shaking like a bitch, like ain't nobody dropping her. Booty, you can copy this, cause I
Bro's exhaust fell off.
Cause I be getting money. Think you hot, but I've been in the streets. I'm sorry when you run me. I got the seeds, homie. Mr. Popular, cause
Your exhaust fucking flew off.
Did it really?
Dude, it looks so funny.
I feel a little lightheaded, I can't lie.
It's
Giant fucking tallywhacker.
It doesn't smell like tire. That smells like bad. But I don't know what that is.
Clutch, maybe?
Maybe.
I don't think it's a BMW clutch.
No, it smells like plastic. That's probably the rear. Does it have liner around the tire?
This does smell like burning plastic.
Let's go pick up the stuff to drop this thing off.
Yeah, so the shit leaks power steering fluid like a motherfucker, as evidenced.
Oh yeah, this bad section right here. Another rot spot. But same thing, the outside's fucking solid, so I can redo that. And then this side right here. That's messed up too. Strip all this down.
Damn, bro. You tore this car the fuck apart.
It is. I'm a little deep into it now.
So simple on this car.
It's accessible. It's really nice.
That looks nuts, dude.
That should be
Damn.
straightforward. Not really, but
I don't know how you get that thing out of the driveway. Got lunch. And we with Seth, of course. Oh my God, y'all should have seen. We're at a rest stop. Y'all should have seen the McDonald's pricing, bruh. Bacon, egg, and cheese bagel. They wanted $15, 20 something. $15. So I said, fuck you. I'm going to the conveni. We got zesty Italian style wrap. I got 3 hours of sleep. We are so cooked. Seth got paid the McDonald's tax. $9 for sausage, egg, biscuit, and burrito. They really taxing, bruh.
Truck north exit on the left.
We made it.
no more George Jones.
What a beaut. And we gotta get to the White Castle, which means
Actually, you know what? Fuck it. I'm gonna try and get the truck. Like, are they looking at us?
yeah, because I got the camera out. But as you see, we didn't get the truck.
That was a piece of shit.
It was kind of beat the fuck up and booty butt. But we gonna get White Castle.
That's all that matters. That was fun.
Yeah, that was a real good hoot and a holler.
sucks with a trailer.
Yeah, I can't do shit with a trailer. But we at the castle, bruh.
In the end, we succeed.
Oh,
Damn. Camera shy.
When I had them that last time, they weren't that good. These are much better.
Yeah, pretty solid. We need one of these at home, bro. White Castle is too goated.
I'm surprised they don't branch out a little bit.
Seth has to run and do some more bullshit. And I got an hour drive home, so not too bad of a failed little... It was cool. It was literally just a piece of shit. It was misfiring. The headlights didn't fucking work. It was just not worth it. But we did get White Castle, so it was worth the 6-hour round trip. White Castle.